Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if Ask AI inside Goodnotes isn't responding, loading or giving answers, it's usually caused by connection issues, outdated app versions or temporary glitches. Here is how to fix it quickly. So first thing first, check your internet connection. Okay, so switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. You can also turn airplane mode on or off if you are using a mobile. Okay, reload Goodnotes. After that, AI features need stable internet. You can also force close and reopen the app. So close Goodnotes completely from your phone or laptop or iPad or anything that you are using. Remove it from recent apps and after that reopen it. Okay, this fixes temporary glitches. You can also update the app. So if you are using iPhone or Android, open App Store or Play Store, search for Goodnotes and tap update because older versions may break AI features. You can also sign out and sign back in. So go to settings inside Goodnotes. Okay, log out of your account and then log back in. It refreshes AI permissions. Okay, you can also check Ask Goodnotes availability. So sometimes AI temporarily stops working due to server load. So wait a few minutes and try again later. Okay, so this is common during peak hours. You can also restart your device as a whole. So turn your device off, wait 10 seconds and turn it on again. Okay, so that's it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching and see you in the next tutorial.